beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing like an organization type of video, something that's hopefully going to bring some kind of inspiration to you to make you feel motivated enough to get up and clean out your closet. We are going to be working on the closet today, which you can kind of see and not so much in the frame, but my closet is a little overstuffed, but I do also want to bring the stuff from the attic down here so I can incorporate my spring and summer clothes. I also want to go through my winter stuff and see the stuff that I have wore this season and the things that I didn't wear this past season and donate those as well. I feel like now's the perfect time to kind of get that done because I have so much time on my hands. This video is being started a little later than expected. It is 5:47 and it is Monday, March 23rd. Now, before we get into today's video, I do kind of want to address the situation in the world right now. Obviously, I have an opinion on it, which is why I'm home. I want to start off by saying that I take this very, very seriously, and I feel like a lot of society isn't taking it as serious as it needs to be taken, but to each its own at the end of the day. Me personally, I have quarantined myself since last Wednesday. Officially, Tuesday, I left work early, and early for me was 12 o'clock at night. Normally I get off at 5 o'clock in the morning. I left at 12 and I haven't been back since. That's just my personal thing. I feel like it's better if I just stay home instead of taking a risk and going to work. I do applaud those who still continue to go to work as far as the essential businesses. Non-essential businesses are supposed to be closed in my area, but there are some that aren't essential but figured a way to make it seem like they are, and yeah, I'm just not for that. But I do want to address that and just say that, you know, I hope that everyone's staying safe, staying home, and getting that time in to really see if they do or do not have it. If you are feeling sick, I pray for you, honestly. And again, just make sure you're isolating yourselves. So today, we're staying home and we're organizing the closet. Of course, I have to start with getting the spring stuff from upstairs and bringing it down here. That way I can have everything here in the room. I would have been washing my brushes today, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, you should. But I posted a little snippet on Instagram yesterday of Bae cleaning my brushes, and I'm so grateful for her because anybody that knows me, even you guys here on the channel who watch my videos often, know that cleaning my brushes is not something I enjoy doing. So the fact she took the time to do it, I'm super grateful for, and she did a really, really good job. So I will be showing you guys those as well. I feel like once I start talking, I can continue to talk for like forever. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go grab the stuff from upstairs and we can get started on this closet. Okay, so we're at the closet and we are going to get this started. I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is take everything that's in here out. That way we can kind of start with the blank canvas, and then as I'm putting stuff back the way that I want it, I can determine whether or not I want to keep it or donate it. I think that's how we're gonna roll. I do have my spring stuff over there, so I'll be incorporating that stuff as I go along, and I think I'm gonna montage this part and just speed it up a bit because, again, nothing really interesting. I don't really have a set plan in mind. This is just to give you guys motivation to clean out your closet. So, Alexa, play Chilombo.
Playing Chilombo by Janay from Apple Music.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly.
desperately need to take this makeup off, but I wanted to show you guys what I accomplished. I am tired, but I want to show you guys. So this is what the closet now looks like. I just have my bags up there, those 3 bins. This one right here has like miscellaneous stuff, my swimsuits, and this one has my pajamas. I hung up all the clothes that I was gonna keep. Don't mind this back here. I was gonna paint the closet this color, but I changed my mind, and since the doors stay closed, you don't see inside it, so I didn't feel the need to change it, or paint over it, I should say. So don't mind that. But outside of that, this is what we have going on. I have dresses, blazers, and stuff like that over here. Obviously, my shoes that are in boxes right there. I do have some shoes in my other closet, but just showing you guys this closet. Got my hats over here. Some more shoes underneath here. And then, of course, I have clothes in these drawers. This is just like undergarments and socks. Then I have t-shirts, tank tops in the top one. The middle one has like leggings, sports bras, workout stuff, and then the bottom has my shorts and my sweatpants and stuff. So that's the closet. Also, if you guys remember, I had a like organizer thing in the center with my jeans in it. That is now been moved. So in this drawer right here, I have all my jeans. They fit nicely in this drawer, so I have them all here. And then at the bottom of this, I have just a random blanket, but some hoodies that I didn't quite want to put up in the attic, just in case it gets a little chilly. Also, this pile right here is for donation, so I did declutter some stuff. Not a lot, because I recently decluttered not too long ago, so I knew I didn't have a lot of stuff to give away, but I do have a few pieces here that I need to fold up and put in a bag to be taken away. But this is what the rest of the room looks like. Obviously, I have my lights on so that you guys can see me better and all that good stuff. But yeah, still got some stuff to clean. So I'm going to clean this stuff up, and hopefully we can end with a clean room. So let's get that done so I can take off this makeup and get ready for bed.